Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing the Bambu P1S 3D printer. So let's get right into it. First off, let's take off the plastic. Quick start guide, and let's remove this top part. Let's take off the front part. Get this part out now.
The zip ties off next.
Now that mostly everything's out of the printer, we can see what's inside these two boxes. This is the first one. So we can see filament here, the screen here. The rest of the stuff they have in that box, power cable, a spool holder, something for the spool to go into, disclaimer, and this box itself includes a nozzle, some spool holder stuff, some detail parts, and some other accessories as well. Box as well. That includes a clock component. This screen, everything. Thanks for watching.